warm up to London Heathrow Terminal 5 home of British Airways is just 19 minutes past 8 in the morning. Please remain seated for now with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it's safe to do so, take care when opening the overhead lockers. Items may have moved could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. So before you leave us today, check you have all your personal belongings with you, including anything you may have placed in the seat area during the flight. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, follow the yellow signs for arrivals. On arrival and for a smoother journey through the UK border, please be ready with all your documentation. Please also make sure you use the e-bits if you meet the criteria as displayed in the passport control area, and staff are available to assist if required. If you are connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, check the information screens for departing gate numbers. This is not yet displayed, then follow the purple signs for connection. If you require assistance here, our ground colleagues will be happy to help, but for those customers who ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, remain seated until the iron around you is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist. On behalf of all of us on board of British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been a strange night, of course. We do apologise once again for the late departure of the service, but we thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we hope to see you all again very soon. Thank you, have a very good day and a very safe onward journey.
Cabin crew, don't make an cross thank you.
From the front end, Senior First Officer Trevor Bader, welcome you to London Heathrow. It is 25 past 8 in the morning. Do apologise for your arrival time of this service. I do hope you understand. I hope it doesn't inconvenience you too much. So we are bumped up. The jetty will position itself on the left hand side of the aircraft very shortly if you disembark. We're on the C gates, the C terminals today. So you're exiting here, go down, and it will be 2 stops into the main terminal. On behalf of myself and the whole crew, thanks you once again having chosen to fly with us here at British Airways. Wish you a safe onward journey, and we do look forward to you on board our services again soon.